All right, how is everybody doing today? This is going to be part 2 of the starter where it wouldn't start, last resort. And I just wanted to just tell everybody what I did and show y'all the finished product. Maybe if anybody out there's got the same issue, this is what I did to fix it, and I think it turned out pretty good. So, but for starters, let's see, right there, let's see, right there, that plug right there, or that terminal, that's the one. It would be the brown wire that goes directly to the starter. Okay, that's the one that messed up. And so I wouldn't have to recreate the earth. I opted to do this, and I think it worked out pretty good. All right, so what I did is I used this is 14 gauge wire. Okay, it's got a 15 amp breaker, okay, going to the positive. All right, so what I did is you have to take this off, which is nothing. It's 2 bolts up there. You can barely, those 2 bolts right there that I see, you got to take it off. And there's a rubber boot housing that you just got to push those 2 wires through, and which is not too bad. Okay, and then I routed it up here, and then put me the switch right here. Okay, and then so what you got to do, everything's hooked up and that wire goes to the positive. All right, so neutral, keys on, and I'm not even, you know, the keys in the on position, clutches in. All right. All right, so it works 100%, and then you just, I just wanted to show y'all that. But I think it turned out pretty good. And like I said, the reason I did it that way is because, 1, I'm no electrician, and 2, I didn't feel like taking this whole fuse panel apart or off or up, or just taking a chance on monkeying with something and screwing something else up when I knew that that was the problem right here. So again, this is part 2 of the video, and this is a completed project. And I just run, I don't know if you can see it, but I just snaked the wire down through there, and then the grommet, that rubber boot's right there. So anyways, and this works like a champ. Let's see here, the button that I used, let's see, there's the button, and it did a really nice job with it. So yeah, and like I said, just wanted to let y'all see this as a finished product, and didn't want to leave y'all hanging. Y'all have a good one. We'll see you when I see you.